do today. I'm so freaking bored. What to do? What to do? Draw a mustache. Oh yeah. Yeah. And a hat. Yeah. Yeah. A mustache, a mustache, a hat, and a bear, and a controller to play Black Ops Zombies. Yeah. Mustache, a hat, a bear, a controller to play Black Ops, and lettuce on my face. Yeah. Hat, a bear, and a controller to play Black Ops, and a piece of lettuce on my face, and 2 pickles on my face. Oh yeah. A hat, a mustache, a pickle, a lettuce on my face, a controller, and a bear, and I'm gonna lick a lemon, yeah! I'm running outside, yeah! And swimming in the grass, yeah! Putting on baby sunscreen, yeah! Looking off walls, oh my god! Yeah! Talking on the phone. Yeah! Hello! Who are you? Yeah! $1. Yeah! And that's enough for today because I am super tired. But that's all I'm going to do today, okay? Bye! Yeah!